Next question. You are considering the purchasing of an equity stock, that is equity share of MVM company. The current price per share is 10, that is P0 is given rupees 10. You expect dividend a year hence to be rupee 1, so D1 is rupee 1. You expect price per share of MVN stock a year hence to have the following probability distribution. So there are 40% chances that the price will be 10, another 40% chances it will be 11, another 20% chances it will be 12. What is expected price per share a year hence? That is the first question. And what is the probability distribution of the rate of return on MVM stock? That is the second question. Please go through the question, all of you. Let us see that how to make the calculation of answer. The first part of the question says that you are required to compute the expected market price of the share at the end of the year. So probability market price of the share P1, I assign X variable to it, probability into X. So 40%, 40% and 20%. Market price of the share will be 10, 11 and 12. So 40% chances it will be 10. That comes to rupees 4. Another 40% chances it is 11. That is 4 rupee 40 paise. And lastly 20% chances it will be 12. That comes to 2 rupee 40 paise. This is the way the mean price is calculated. 4 plus 4.4 plus 2.4. That comes to 10.8. So 10 rupee 80 paise is P1, market price of the equity share at the end of the year. Next question is provided to us, what is the probability distribution of the rate of return? So the question only says that you're required to give the probability distribution answer. You don't have to give the mean return. So calculation of probability distribution of rate of return. Let us see that how to calculate the answer. Column number 1 is the probability. Column number 2 is the return. There are 40% chances. Dear students, the question is providing very clear information to us that the dividend will be definitely an amount of rupee 1. So for whatever may be the market price, the dividend is going to be 1 and the P0 is given to us as rupees 10. So what will happen, dear students? It is 1 plus P1 is 10 minus P0 is also 10 divided by 10 into 100. So in the first case, so the return is going to be 10%. Next, another 40% chances. Dividend is again 1 rupee plus 11 minus 10 divided by 10 into 100. So 1 rupee is the change in the price of the security and 1 rupee is the dividend. So overall return is going to be 20%. Last 20% probability, dividend is 1, 12 minus 10. So the change in the price is 2 rupees divided by 10 into 100 for getting answer in percentage term, and the return is going to be 30%. That is the way, say for the different probabilities, so the return can be calculated like this. So friends, over here, we just have to make the computation of the probability distribution of the rate of return. We don't have to make the calculation of the return as such.